Turbine is a collaborative manufacturing, innovation and education centre here on the Sunshine Coast. Turbine was born out of the Food and Agribusiness Network, or FAN. FAN is a cluster group that really brings the industry together and allows the industry to work together, and it is for the industry. Anyone that joins Turbine will get the benefits of being part of the FAN network. Turbine's really been built to help and support small SMEs and medium-sized businesses as they grow. One of the biggest challenges in growth is actually how capital intensive it is and how resource intensive it is. And Turbine's there to really help and assist that process by offering shared services, shared resources and shared infrastructure.
The type of tenants that will be suited to the new turbine development will be local, state and national food and beverage manufacturers. If someone's got specific requirements, that is the sort of tenant that we need to speak to. You'll generally find that they'll be able to share in the infrastructure that we are prepared to supply. Incentives are available for any successful applicant. We would encourage all people to read the IM thoroughly, which is available on the website.
It's a really exciting time for Turbine. We're now out in the market looking for interest, expressions of interest, and so I really encourage any food and beverage businesses that are now looking to scale up, to relocate, or just to grow, to get in contact with the team. Without the incredible support from both the federal and state government, this project just wouldn't be possible.